Studies have shown that those who hire a personal injury attorney typically recover a significant amount more than if they handled the claim on their own. Personal injury attorneys are for more than if you need a lawsuit. Often, a claim can be resolved outside of trial. Personal injury attorneys work from the beginning to prove your elements of loss and damages. Those elements include things such as proving liability on behalf of the negligent party, establishing that the medical care was reasonable and necessary, doing an accounting of the medical bills that were incurred, as well as other elements such as pain and suffering, discomfort, inconvenience, loss of quality and enjoyment of life, as well as psychological and emotional distress. Studies have shown that those who hire an injury attorney in the pursuit of their claim typically resolve their case for a significant amount more than if they handled the claim on their own.
I put new files together for any new clients. When they get new paperwork in, I make sure everything's organized so that all the attorneys have everything they need for when the clients come in. I do some transcription for Bob. When he does negotiations, he sends out a lot of letters to adjusters, to attorneys. Anyone who needs it, I do the transcription for that. I organize all the files and decide which things are related. Medical bills and medical records are related. Make sure the sub-row files together so that when it comes time for distribution, we have all the needed information. Because our attorneys only deal with personal injury, they have lots and lots of experience, many years of experience with all kinds of different issues that seem to pop up. Things you wouldn't think would pop up actually pop up in different cases. And being that's all we deal with, we can pretty much handle any crisis or situation that comes up.
Well, I think that when a client hires our firm, we take some of the stress off of them. And talking to the insurance company, it can be very overwhelming when you first get into an auto accident, when the insurance company is hounding you to settle your claim, and we can deal with all that. So, my favorite part about my job is being able to call the client and let them know their case is settled, because I really enjoy helping our clients. I think the team approach is important because we all work together, and there's not just one attorney that handles the client's claim. We all can handle their claim, and if someone calls, we can take care of their problems right away. We don't have to wait for anyone, or so.
Once we sign a client, I help facilitate their case. I order bills and records. I talk to the insurance companies. If they need help with providers like doctors or anything, I will talk to the providers or help with that. The team approach benefits the client because if somebody is not available, there's always somebody who knows what's going on in their case, and it can be, if there's any problems or anything, they can be dealt with immediately by somebody who knows what's going on with the file, and therefore their case isn't getting put off because somebody is not available for some particular reason.
We get to know our clients, and we take time with each client, get to know them, talk to them, and then they get through their personal injury case, and we help them in any way that we can. We do the legwork so our client doesn't have to. Our team approach is beneficial to the client because then they can talk to any one of us, not necessarily just one particular person, and then we all get to know the client a lot better.
At Bob Moore & Associates, we've been helping clients for over 20 years.